Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Big Sweep, where we dive into cleaning all sorts of things. Today's cleaning project is white shoes. But first, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the Big Sweep, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an episode. White shoes are a timeless fashion statement. They convey a sense of effortless chic, adding a crisp and clean element to any outfit. But their pristine nature can be a double-edged sword. White shoes are notorious for attracting dirt, scuffs, and stains. Keeping them looking their best requires a little effort, but the results are well worth it. This guide provides you with the tools and techniques to tackle any stain on any type of white shoe. From canvas sneakers to sleek leather pumps, we'll have your footwear looking fresh in no time. With these simple steps, you can keep your white shoes looking their best for years to come. Whether you're a seasoned sneakerhead or a leather shoe enthusiast, this guide has something for everyone. Let's dive in and discover the secrets to conquering dirt and maintaining the brilliance of your white shoes. Canvas shoes are a wardrobe staple, known for their comfort and versatility. They can be paired with almost any outfit, making them a go-to choice for many. Whether you're heading to a casual outing or just running errands, these shoes offer both style and ease, but their porous fabric tends to attract dirt easily. Over time, this can make them look worn out and less appealing. Regular cleaning is essential to keep them looking fresh and new. Fortunately, cleaning them is a straightforward process. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can restore your canvas shoes to their former glory. Start by removing any loose dirt or debris using a soft bristled brush. This step is crucial as it prevents the dirt from embedding deeper into the fabric when you start scrubbing. Next, create a cleaning solution with warm water and a mild detergent. The warm water helps to loosen the dirt, while the detergent breaks down the grime. Dip a clean cloth or sponge into the solution and gently scrub the surface of the shoes. Focus on areas with visible stains, but be gentle to avoid damaging the fabric. Avoid soaking the shoes completely, as this can damage the canvas and the glue holding them together. Excessive moisture can weaken the structure of the shoes, leading to premature wear and tear. For stubborn stains, lemon juice can be a powerful ally. Its natural acidity helps break down dirt and grime. Plus, it leaves a fresh, clean scent. Dip a toothbrush in lemon juice and scrub the affected area. The bristles of the toothbrush can reach into the fabric's weave, ensuring a thorough clean. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing with a damp cloth. This allows the lemon juice to work its magic on the stains. Once clean, stuff the shoes with white paper towels to help them maintain their shape and allow them to air dry completely. The paper towels will absorb excess moisture and prevent the shoes from losing their form. Place them in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight, to ensure they dry evenly and thoroughly. Suede shoes exude a luxurious feel, but their delicate texture requires special care and attention. Unlike canvas or leather, suede doesn't react well to water. Therefore, it's crucial to use a gentle approach and specialized cleaning tools. Invest in a suede brush, eraser, and protector spray for best results. The brush helps loosen dirt and lift the nap, while the eraser tackles scuffs and embedded dirt effectively. Before cleaning, use the brush to remove any loose dirt from the surface. For light cleaning, use the eraser in a gentle back and forth motion to remove marks. For more stubborn stains, lightly dampen the eraser before use. Avoid applying too much pressure as this can damage the delicate suede. Once clean, use the brush again to restore the nap and spray the shoes with a suede protector to shield them from future stains and damage. Maintaining your polished look with a well-cared-for pair of leather shoes not only looks great, but also speaks volumes about your attention to detail and personal style. Leather shoes are a timeless investment that can last for years with proper care. They are versatile, elegant, and can be paired with a variety of outfits, making them a staple in any wardrobe. Cleaning white leather shoes involves a two-pronged approach, addressing the leather uppers and the rubber soles separately. This ensures that each part of the shoe receives the appropriate care and attention it needs. For the leather uppers, start by wiping away any dirt or dust with a soft, dry cloth. This initial step is crucial as it prevents any abrasive particles from scratching the leather during the cleaning process. Then, create a cleaning solution using warm water and a mild pH-neutral soap specifically designed for leather. The right cleaning solution helps maintain the leather's natural sheen and texture. Avoid harsh detergents or saddle soap, as these can strip the leather of its natural oils, leading to dryness and cracking. Harsh chemicals can cause irreversible damage, making the leather brittle and less durable. Dip a soft cloth into the soapy water, wring it out thoroughly, and gently wipe the surface of the shoes. Be sure to cover all areas evenly to ensure a consistent clean. Use a separate cloth dampened with clean water to wipe away any soapy residue. This step is important to prevent any soap from drying on the leather, which can cause discoloration or a sticky texture. Allow the shoes to air dry completely, away from direct sunlight or heat. Direct heat can cause the leather to warp or crack, so it's best to let them dry naturally in a shaded area. To keep the leather supple and prevent cracking, apply a leather conditioner after cleaning. Conditioning the leather helps to replenish its natural oils, keeping it soft, flexible, and looking its best. Regular conditioning also adds a layer of protection against future wear and tear. By following these steps, you can ensure that your white leather shoes remain in pristine condition, ready to complement any outfit with their polished look. Remember, consistent care is key to maintaining the longevity and appearance of your leather footwear. With a little effort and the right techniques, your leather shoes will continue to be a stylish and reliable part of your wardrobe for years to come. So, take pride in your polished look and step out with confidence. Rubber soles are particularly susceptible to scuffs and discoloration. Thankfully, there are effective techniques to restore their pristine appearance. A simple magic eraser can work wonders on scuff marks. Just dampen the eraser and rub it gently over the affected areas. For more stubborn scuffs or discoloration, create a paste using baking soda and water. Apply the paste to the rubber soles and let it sit for a few minutes. Then use a toothbrush or a scrub brush to work the paste into the crevices of the soles. Rinse the paste off with water and inspect the results. Repeat the process if necessary. For deeply embedded dirt, you can try using a specialized rubber sole cleaner. Always test any cleaning solution on a small, inconspicuous area of the sole first to avoid potential discoloration. Before we go on, please take a second to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell. Leave us a comment below and share any shoe cleaning tips of your own. Over time, white rubber soles can develop unsightly yellowing or staining. This is often caused by oxidation, a natural process that occurs when rubber is exposed to air and light. However, there are ways to combat this issue and brighten up your soles. One effective method is to use a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Create a paste by combining equal parts of each ingredient. Apply the paste to the yellowed areas of the soles and leave it on for about 30 minutes. After the waiting period, use a toothbrush to scrub the paste into the soles, paying extra attention to any stubborn stains. Rinse the paste off with water and marvel at the difference. If the yellowing persists, you can repeat the process or try using a commercial product specifically designed to remove yellowing from rubber. Here are some tips for a lasting shine. Keeping your white shoes looking pristine can be a challenge, but with the right approach, you can maintain that fresh out-of-the-box look. Maintaining the bright white appearance of your shoes is an ongoing endeavor, but the rewards are worth the effort. Clean white shoes can elevate any outfit, making you look sharp and well put together. By incorporating a few simple habits into your routine, you can keep your white shoes looking their best. Start by assembling a dedicated shoe cleaning kit. This should include a soft brush, a damp cloth, a gentle cleaning solution, and some tissue paper or shoe trees. First and foremost, clean your shoes regularly. Regular maintenance prevents dirt and grime from becoming ingrained in the material, which can be much harder to remove later on. Don't wait for dirt and grime to build up before taking action. The longer you wait, the more difficult it will be to restore your shoes to their original condition. Wipe down your shoes after each wear to remove any surface dirt or dust. This simple step can make a huge difference in maintaining their appearance. Use a damp cloth for canvas and leather shoes, and a soft brush for suede. Each material requires a different approach to avoid damage and ensure a thorough clean. Secondly, store your shoes properly. Proper storage is just as important as regular cleaning in maintaining the longevity of your shoes. Keep them in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight or heat. Excessive heat can cause the materials to warp or crack, while sunlight can lead to discoloration. Moisture can damage the materials and promote the growth of mold and mildew. Always ensure your shoes are completely dry before storing them. Stuff your shoes with tissue paper or shoe trees to help them maintain their shape and prevent creasing. This is especially important for leather shoes, which can easily lose their shape. Finally, don't be afraid to seek professional help when needed. Professional cleaners have access to specialized tools and products that can handle even the most stubborn stains and delicate materials. They can provide a level of care and expertise that is difficult to achieve at home. Investing in professional cleaning can extend the life of your shoes and keep them looking their best. By following these tips, you can keep your white shoes looking fresh and vibrant for years to come. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in maintaining the appearance and longevity of your footwear. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you in the next episode.